my channel. Today's video is going to be a test wear. This video is definitely a summarizing of my whole entire review of these two products here. I just recently posted a review of these two products, so if you guys are curious about the products and everything, how they do, how well it's application, I'll have a link below. But if you're new, hi, I am Beauty by Deanna D. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just give you guys a final look, okay, of everything. So recently, two new products have really hit the drugstore, and the hype is really going up with these two products. These two products have recently came out online. One of them came out during the Christmas holiday, and the other came out during the beginning of the year. But you know me, I am always late on getting products that, you know, because I'm a debater. Should I get it? Should I not? Should I watch a couple more YouTube reviews? And then if I should I just go ahead and get it? So I got into the hype. I went into the hype and I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. So one of the products that I'm going to be talking about today has a 24-hour test wear. The 24-hour foundation by Maybelline. And no, I don't have time throughout the day to test a product out for 24 hours. But I gave it a shot by cutting the out at least. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock in the morning. February the 24th. Okay. So February 23rd, which was 6 o'clock on a Friday, I started applying the application. And I applied the application and I went out to dinner and a movie, and I love Black Panther. Wakanda forever. I just had to throw it in there. So I really recently just wore this at least 7 hours. So that's the only test wear I have. So this is the application of the foundation after 7 hours, and I will put a review of you know, the actual finish from the previous review. So you guys can see what it will actually look like right before, you know, go out through the day once you finish your whole process. So here it is, 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have this on, this foundation. Let's see. Okay, so this foundation says full coverage foundation up to 24-hour wear, seamlessly matte, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. So this is what the product claims, and of course we know by their last review it has a pump, so you have a lot of control over it. So that's great. Okay, so let's look at the test wear. I'm going to be using my Lovely, which I love this YouTuber. Shout out to Missy. I love her palettes. I'm just going to use her mirror to test out and see what the results look like after 7 hours long. Okay, so as I'm looking at the foundation after wearing it for 7 long hours, okay, 7 long hours. The foundation test, it says that is, once again, I'm gonna have everything pop up. So let's see. Okay, let's focus on the eye area, the lower lash line area, and underneath the eye. So let's get a good zoom in. So as I'm seeing here, if you can tell by the application that I did a little demo on, basically it kind of faded away just I want to say a little bit, in my opinion, because I can see my actual skin. Like, I can actually see the skin. If the foundation was able to fade away, I wouldn't be able to see the actual, you know, natural. So I can see that with the whole skin. Like, if you guys can look, okay, my eyes look a little puffy because I am tired right now, but this is, so we're a minute off. But if you can look at it, just, you can see, like, okay, you can see right in there, like, it's after 7 hours. So okay, let's keep on moving on. Okay, so after the whole 7-hour test wear, as you can see that the under eye part of the foundation process, it kind of faded away just a smudge. And I don't usually touch up foundations, don't get me wrong, I do not touch up foundations. I think that's gross. But some people do, and you know that's what you want to do, that you go right ahead. Okay, let's check out the perimeter around the forehead, in the center of the forehead, and around the area where it stops at my brow bone. So let's check that out and see how well it did. Okay, so it looks pretty good. I'm not having too much issue with it. I can still see the foundation like right there, like it says boom foundation. Okay, I still sees it, so that's the good part. It did good on that note. Now around the brow bone area, I can see like a little bit of fade away, because if you look at the brow bone area, how it connects, and then when it goes down into the under eye area, that's where the fadiness starts. So that's how I feel right now. Like smile lines and the, you know, in the nose area. Well, actually, it has rubbed off. It's rubbed off completely in the nose area. It has rubbed off. Okay, and then if you look on my cheeks, okay, where I have my dark spots here, it's peeking through. It's peeking through. It's peeking through, like right there. It's really peeking through. Like right there, it's peeking through. This is after just 7 hours. So imagine what it will look like after 24 hours. So yeah. Then I have my chin area. Let's see, chin area. Let me see. Let's check the chin. Chin area looks pretty okay. I can still see my highlight though. My highlight lasted pretty well. But it's not by Radiance, but I use the Huda Beauty highlight product. I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the way it just sits there. It's still saying, girl, watch it now. It's still saying that. Okay, so overall, even though I did not touch up my foundation, it's still a good wear. It's still a good wear, don't get me wrong. But if you're gonna test this out, make sure you're looking at how I examine my face, because if you do not look at how I examine my face, you're not gonna tell the difference. You're not gonna be able to notice if you're going to be out all night taking photos, or if you're at an event and you need to know if the foundation really stood its ground and it had your back, it got you through ups and downs through that night, it had you slaying on all social media accounts of yours. You want that friendship to go for. You want that go-getter friendship, okay? But you know, that's just my thoughts on the foundation itself. Okay, so that's just my thoughts on the foundation. Now we're going to end with we're going to be testing out also the 7-hour wear. This is the Black Radiance. Now I do have the Black Radiance in the areas where I normally apply. So let's see how it went. So we did the foundation and we did the Black Radiance. Okay, so with those two products combined together, let's see if they last up to their, if they stayed put, if they did what it's supposed to, if they saved us, if they slayed us, if they, you know, if it did the job. Okay, so this is a banana shade right here, as you guys know, and you guys know every girl, every makeup lover love and is obsessed with the banana shade, unless you have your ups and downs with it, because you're gonna have your ups and downs. Like, come on, let's get a handy dandy palette. Okay, yeah, still, yeah, if you watch Blue's Clues, you're a real one. Okay, all right, so let's see how I did. Okay, as I was going for, you know, long lasting, I was going for holding it up at the 5-hour look, but even though we were testing it for 7 hours, it didn't really do much. It didn't really do much to me, but I like it. I do enjoy the product itself. first couple of hours, but it's not a long-lasting product at all. It's not. So yeah, those are my thoughts and everything on the two products that's been going around on social media, that's, you know, hyped up and everything. I just want to come on here and give you guys my full thoughts of how it will test and throughout the day, and if it's long lasting, if it's 24-hour worth testing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Big old hugs. Yeah. Okay guys, I gotta go, and I will see you later.